With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's solve this question. So first let us understand what this question is saying. A U-shaped conducting frame is fixed in space. So we have been given this conducting frame which is fixed in space. A conducting rod CD lies at rest on the smooth frame as shown. The frame is in a uniform magnetic field B0 which is perpendicular to the plane of this frame. So the magnetic field is perpendicular to this plane. At the time t equals to 0, the magnitude of the magnetic field being to change with time t as according to B equals to B0 upon 1 plus kt, where k is a positive constant. For no current to be ever induced in the frame, the speed with which rod should be pulled starting from time t equals to 0 is. So now let us calculate the value of this speed so that there is no current flowing in the frame. So students, as given in the question that the current flowing is 0, that means the net electric potential value will also be equals to 0. And we know that EMF induced in the frame is equals to minus d phi by dt, which is equals to minus d phi by dt, where phi is the flux. So let us assume that at x distance, let us consider that at any x distance, this rod has been moved, and at any x distance, we know that the formula for the flux equals to magnetic field into area. Now, what is the magnetic field? It is equals to B naught upon 1 plus kt, and the area is equals to length B and distance. Let us assume that this rod comes to a position where it is at a distance of x. Now this will be equals to x, and while this length equals to constant b into x. So this is flux at any time t. Now let us calculate EMF induced, which is the differentiation of d phi by dt. Now students, we know that EMF induced equals to minus d phi by dt, and it is already given that the current in the circuit equals to 0. That means EMF induced will also be equals to 0. That means minus d phi by dt will be equals to 0. And if the rate of change of flux equals to 0, that means the flux is a constant value, which is equals to B naught upon 1 plus kt into B into x is a constant value. So what we can write, if the flux is a constant value, let the constant be equals to k. Let us consider, let the flux be k, as flux is constant, because as flux is constant due to EMF induced equals to 0. So what we can write that B naught upon 1 plus kt, let us consider, as it is already given 1 plus kt in the question, so let us consider it to be another variable k dash. So B naught b into x upon 1 plus kt equals to k dash. This is the constant. Now B naught by 1 plus kt into B into x is a constant k dash. So what we can write, x equals to k dash into 1 plus kt upon B into B naught. This is the value of x, and we know velocity equals to dx by dt. So we can differentiate it with respect to time t. And on differentiating, this can be written as k dash by b naught plus k dash into k t upon b into b naught. So when we differentiate, this value is a constant, so this will be equals to 0, while this value will become equal to k dash k upon b into b naught. Now from here we can write the value of k dash in this equation, and on putting this value, this will be equals to b naught b into x upon 1 plus k into t, and we can multiply here, it is k into b naught. This will be cancel out, b naught b, this will cancel out, and this will remain, only the value remains kx upon 1 plus k into t. Now students, as this comes out to be the value of the speed, which is kx upon 1 plus kt, and we have to calculate at time t equals to 0. So we can put the value of time t equals to 0, and when we know at time t equals to 0, the initial value of x equals to a. So we can put the value initial equals to a. So on putting the value, this will be equals to k into a upon 1 plus k into time t equals to 0. So this value comes out to be equals to k into a. So this is the value of the speed, which is equals to k into a.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.